I have a question for you. Do you want to simplify your life? Yes? Then keep watching this video.
Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals.
In this video, I want to give you some tips on how to simplify your life. Number 1. Resign from any organization whose meetings you dread. Number 2. Learn to live with less information. Number 3. Work where you live or live where you work. Number 4. Be in bed by 10 p.m. Number 5. Live on half of what you earn and save the other half. Number 6. Keep asking this question. Is this going to simplify my life? If the answer is no, then don't do it. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this.
So thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.